Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha, Creativemind Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you a swap that I'm in on Facebook group of Coffee Curves and Crafting, hosted by Tiffany, Crafting Like a Boss McGill. Crafting Like a Boss McGill, that is her Facebook page, and Crafting Like a Boss is her YouTube page. And she's always doing swaps in the group. So I'm in another one of her swaps, and it's a die cut swap. And I'm going to show you what I got in the swap. Now I'm going to show you all of it, and I'm not going to show you the packaging because I'm not done packaging it up. But I'm going to show you the die cuts that I used. Okay, so far this is what I got for the packaging. We had to have at least 15 dies with no more than 4 of each die, of one die. So I'm pretty sure I got way more than 15 in here. I just became a die cutting nut, and I just got happy with a lot of dies. So I got a lot of dies in here. So anyway, this is just a little bit. I'm going to show you what I have in my swap. Okay, so first, I'm not going to take these out because 2 of these bags, they are with the top I put on them, they don't open. Well, I probably could, but I'm not gonna. I just don't want to take them out. But anyway, I'm going to show you the dies that I used anyway, because we had to also put in here what dies we used. So I already got that labeled on here too. But anyway, so this is the first die I used. If you can see it up close, it's called Kaleidoscope by Spellbinders, and that is this die. It's a Spellbinders, and the number on it is 64698. And again, on some of them I put all the dies that's in that particular bag on the back, so that they're all labeled. So I've got one silver one copper looking one, then there's another one, if you can see it right there. Right there, it's like a really coffee brown colors, is glitter. So that's that. And then I also, in this package, I did some little pocket with a scallop edge, and that's this die. It's one of the big ones, so I used that die, and I cut 8 of those. I cut 4. And this print, actually this is a leopard wrapping paper, and then I cut 4 and parchment paper, so they're like cellophane bags or glassine bags. So that's that. And then on the back, I put a little packet of emoji dies in there, and it's a lot of little dies, probably more than 15 in there, more than 15 dies. So that's that and that pack, and those dies are Spellbinders called Emojis, and the number on that one is 61007, and it's like 7 dies in there. And let's see, also this pocket die, yeah, it's the pockets with scallop edge die, and it's by Scissors, and it's 659768. So that's that die. And then the smaller emoji, this is large. See, you can tell these are really small, these are bigger. And this die, I only used the emoji, I didn't use any cutting it. I just used the emojis, and those are the different ones. And that's by Scissors, and the number of that is 662457. And the name of this die is Birthday Smiles. Yeah, Birthday Smiles. Okay, so that's that one. And then on the second one, a second package. Now, I can open these, but again, because these are some really fidgety dies, I'm just going to show you the dies that I made, that I cut. I'm not going to take those out because those word dies was crap trying to get in there. So, I cut 4 of the word dies. They are by Momenta, and the lot number on those is 0005872. No, wait a minute. 0005872-5873, and they don't have a name. that they're all about mint, and it's like, it says, I love you and thank you. And I cut 2 of those, 1 in black and 1 in white. Well, 2 in black and 2 in white. So it's 4 of those, I think, in there. And that one. And then also in that envelope is this camera die. It's by Amy Tangerine. And it's, I guess the set's called Scarlet. And the number on that is 370052. So again, that's that camera die that I cut out right there. And I cut that in black. And then another couple of dies I put in there. I mean, I cut 2 of those cameras. And then I cut these feathers. There's 2, I think it's 4 feathers in there, 2 of each feather. And it's by Artsy. And I don't think it has a name on these, but the lot number is 0005674. And again, I cut those 2 feather dies. They also come with a stamp by this time. I just cut the dies. And they're cut in cream. So this package is got black, cream, and craft stock in it. And the other, I'm not taking these out, but y'all see when, if y'all watch the video, when Stephanie does a reveal, she'll take them out. There's some circle dies in here with some quotes in the middle. I don't remember how putting it on. I think it's 2 black and 2 cream, craft paper, and also a mug, with the quote in it, and they are from Cricut Access on my Cricut. I got those from my Cricut. So anybody that has Cricut, they can get those. Well, I don't know if anybody can get those because I got a lot of free cuts from Anna Griffin when I bought my Cricut. So I got that free with my Cricut. And then this last package envelope of or bag of die cuts is some flowers, so spellbinders, and I wrote the name on there on the thing. Now they look like this when you cut them out, but I cut, someone pulled it all the way apart. So I got 2 different dies and flowers in there, and there's a lot of flowers. And the dies I used on that is this one, spellbinders, and it is S4351, and it's called Spiral Bloom 1. So I have 1, 2, it's a lot of those dies in there in different colors, and then some of them are print and pink. And then the other dies, the ones on the back, they are Spellbinders Shapeability is also S4357. It's Spiral Bloom 3. So that's that die that I've got in that package, or that envelope bag, or whatever you want to call it. So those are the dies that I made for the swap. We also had to make a handmade goodie, but I'm not going to show you that. I wanted that to be a surprise for everybody that's in my group. And so, oh, also all of these bag toppers, these are ones that I made myself. I made these on my Cricut, and then I embossed them. And I thought, you know, they're just pretty enough without even adding anything to them. So that's all I did. Because I'm thinking I'm gonna package this up some more. This is not done packaged, so this is not it. I gotta add the goodie to it, and plus I'm gonna package up some more. But I put their name on it, color die, and I put the information on the back, or, you know, die cut swap group 4. I have to stamp my my YouTube and Facebook channel logo on there, but that is that. And I made one for Tiffany, the other group, and then there's another Tiffany in the group. I made one for her, and Alexandra, that's her package, and Tracy. So those are the packages. Like I said, I'm not done packaging, but this is just the outside of it. And those are my entries for the die cut swap. Okay, well, thanks again, guys, for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And if you haven't liked my channel, please do hit that button, that subscribe button, and y'all have a happy day. Crafty day, that is. Bye.